Hey there, drone enthusiasts and educators. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that will take your classroom experience to new heights. We'll be discussing why the Tello EDU microdrone is a great choice for your classroom drone activities. First off, the Tello EDU is incredibly user-friendly, making it suitable for students of all ages and skill levels. Its intuitive controls and simple setup allow you to get started quickly and easily without any hassle. Safety is always a top priority, especially in a classroom environment. The Tello EDU's small size, controllable speed, propeller guards and stabilisation sensors minimise the chance of injury. But like all tools in the classroom, students should have a level of understanding when it comes to drone safety. Versatility is another strong point of the Tello EDU. Despite its compact size, it can perform flips, aerial stunts, and even execute automated flight patterns. Plus, you can expand its capabilities with accessories like mission pads and game controllers, allowing your students to explore a wide range of applications. There are also plenty of 3D printed attachments that you can use to challenge your students' problem-solving skills. Are you executing automated flight patterns in the classroom? The Tello EDU opens up a world of possibilities to coding for your students. At beginner level, students can use visual programming or block coding to control their drone. But as they get more advanced, the Tello EDU has support for programming languages like Scratch and Python. They can unleash their creativity and develop coding skills while controlling the drone's behaviour. So whether you're looking to introduce your students to the world of drones, teach them coding and programming, or foster creativity and problem-solving skills, the Tello EDU is the ideal choice. If you're as excited as we are about the Tello EDU, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Stay tuned for more educational content and drone adventures. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Fly high and keep inspiring those young minds.